Listen, children. What length of tarpaulin? Tarpaulin, you know, beta?
No.
Children,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
what? इसको हिंदी में आप त्रिपाल भी बोलते हो. You must have seen a green or blue colored thick sheet which is used to make chick also. या जिससे टेंट बनाते हैं, ग्रीन या ब्लू कलर का बहुत थिक होता है, त्रिपाल बोलते हैं हिंदी में, एंड दिस इज नोन एज तारपुलिन. यस, अ सॉर्ट ऑफ थिक कैनवस, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, मोटा कैनवस वाला कपड़ा. 3 मीटर वाइड will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. We are given the height and base of a tent. Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. आप मुझे ये बताइए, have you been to the market where you have seen, you must have seen cloth available in, what do you call it, rolls mein hota hai, and then they measure it in the meters. If you want 1 meter, 2 meter, whatever meter length you need, they measure it and give it to you. Have you seen something like this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कपड़े का रोल है. अब उस कपड़े के रोल में बेटा जो विड्थ होती है दैट इज फिक्स्ड. उस कपड़े की विड्थ तो फिक्स निकलती है उस रोल में से. टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, लेट मी जस्ट रैप इट अराउंड like this. Suppose you want 1 meter, the shopkeeper will open it like this, measure 1 meter and give it to you. यही करते हैं बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the length that shopkeeper is going to measure. But जो कपड़े का width होता है, चौड़ाई होता है, that is already fixed. जो कपड़े का चौड़ाई होगा, this thing is fixed. ये fixed है. And this is as per your requirement. The shopkeeper will cut the cloth as per your requirement. You need 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, as per your requirement, will cut it. Okay. So now they are saying this piece of cloth is to be used. This piece of cloth is to be used to make a conical tent. जी, अब एक rectangular piece है और आप इस piece से conical tent बनाएंगे. Which area of tent will you be making using this tarpaulin?
Yes, say.
Yes.
Yes, say.
CSA.
है ना बेटा? तो CSA, what is the formula for CSA?
IRL.
IRL.
IRL. First of all, we need to find CSA, and whatever is the CSA of this conical tent, you will be equating that to what? Area of this cloth.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the area of this piece? Which shape is this?
L into B.
Rectangle.
L into B.
Where breadth is fixed, it is given, it is 3 meter wide, and length can be found by equating both these areas. Ji beta. And in the question we are given 20 centimeter extra length will be needed for the margins. So whatever the answer of length comes out, we shall add 20 centimeter to that. क्योंकि कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भी तो चाहिए ना. इट इज नॉट दैट वी विल गेट अ परफेक्ट टेंट. आपने देखा ओवरलैपिंग स्टिचेस भी होते हैं. लाइक इफ आई शो यू हियर, नो आई कैन नॉट शो यू हियर. You must have seen, if you see the back side of the t-shirt or the shirt you are wearing, there are some marginal lines also, marginal stitchings also. For that 20 centimeter extra cloth is needed, and we are given that we have to make use of pi as 3.14. All right, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, is the question clear? Shall we do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do it. Let us do it fast. Height is 8. Radius is 6. So first of all, let us calculate slant height. So L square is R square plus H square. 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64, which is 100. And 100 is a square of
10.
10.
10.
So therefore, L is 10 meter. ठीक है? So according to question, area of tarpaulin is equal to PSA of 10. Yes, beta. That is length into breadth is equal pi RL. Yeah.
Yes.
Or length is equal to, what is pi? 3.14 into 10 meter, and this breadth is 3 meter given to us in the question. Right? So 3 meter and 6 meter, 1 by 2. 3.14 into 2. 6.28 into 10 meter. Now
620.
multiplying by 10 means
62.8.
the decimal will be one place.
62.8.
62.8. But beta, we need to add 20 centimeter to it. है ना? So you will write length for margins is equal 20 centimeter. Now how to change centimeter to meter?
20 divided by 100.
20 divided by.
So that will become
0.2.
0.2 meter. So thus total length of tarpaulin needed is equal 62.8 meter, and this is for the margins, which will add up to
63 meters.
63.
I hope you know how to add. आता है ना 62.8 plus 0.2. All right.